Today I'm going to show you a super simple turkey recipe that gives you the most perfect delicious bird every time. We'll start by tossing out the giblets, but we'll keep the neck, we'll be using that. Now for the stuffing. We'll need 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of carrots, an axe and a dog. Next, take half a pound of butter and soften it by putting it under your dog for 5 minutes. Now massage the butter into the turkey. I like to use a dual head deep tissue back massager, but you can also use a foot roller or a vibrator. Okay, let's roast it. You'll want to use a meat thermometer so you can get the turkey to exactly 165 degrees. Now when your guests arrive, the last thing you want to be doing is manically checking the oven every 5 minutes. Here's a little secret trick, so you can impress your guests with how relaxed and cool you are. Ow! And that's it. A foolproof, moist, delicious golden brown turkey. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel here, and to watch another machine right now, click here. Matthew, stop!
Et sa musique sort du bonheur.